how to hook up your Badlands breaker, 9,000, 12,000 pound winch. This is the breaker that comes with it. What I'm using is, you can get it at Oriely's. What we got here? Number 2 gauge insulated copper ring lug, 3/8. And talk about the wire here in a second, but for it to be able to fit a 3/8 inch bolt, take your 3/8 drill bit, drill a hole through here both sides, because you don't know which, you're gonna use either one, and take this here from Oriely's, your 3/8 hex nut, right? Yeah, 3/8 by 1/2 inch, whatever. Maybe I'm not a scientist, but so this is, I got this from my local welding shop. 2 gauge, number 2 Ultra Flex. You don't want to go to Lowe's and get it. They're going to have that really thick stuff. You can't bend it. This is welding wire. This is what you'd make welding leads out of. So anyway, put your ring lugs on there. What I've used is my winch mount, well, hitch mount vise. Smash it in there. Smash your ring lug all the way flat. All right. Then I took the corner, smashed that again, and hammered the corner over. It ain't coming out. So you do that. You take that 3/8, and you're going to go ahead and fasten one end with your lead to your breaker. Next up, I'll show you what it looks like under the hood. So because of how the angle that it has to lay and stack it on top of my positive terminal, I use a lock washer on my breaker, kind of just like that, and then I'm going to bolt it down to on top of my battery terminal with the same 3/8 inch fixed bolt, 14mm. Tighten it down and then snake my wire down through there towards the back. Get ready for my Anderson quick disconnect. So you route your cable from the battery down the frame best way you can see fit, however you want to do it, and then of course make your positive come and stick it into the positive, your negative into the negative. If I get to focus here, yeah, negative into the negative, and just ground it off somewhere. And that's pretty much it.